Today we're going to be learning about ratios. So, yes, ratios in 8th grade mathematics. So basically it's like a proportion or something like that. Yes, I know. Yeah. So, we're going to be talking about what a ratio is. And we're going to be explaining a lot of ratio problems. Yes. So, a ratio is basically like a fraction. So, yes, a fraction. So, like this. Yeah. Yeah, something is something, yeah, I like to draw these for fun. To like teach you how this lesson's going. So this is, yeah, like, are you sure we belong together? Because like 7 over 8 is equal to 8.75. You think it's 8.7.876. It's actually 0.875. So this is actually a ratio. So now this is what I call a ratio. 9 to 2. So a ratio are things, yeah, a fraction that each number or variable, well, we're not going to do variable, a fraction that each number represents something. So a ratio is a fraction that this number represents something and that number represents something. So, like, there are, I can pick 2 colors. Okay. Now I'm gonna make a colon, which is English thing for time or whatever. But this is not English, this is math. So there are 19 people in this class, and 39 people in this class. So let's just say that there are like 20 bars. Oh shoot. I know you can't see that well. 20 boys, and the rest are girls. So 19 to 20. Oh yeah. We can make a sentence with this. So the ratio represents 19 girls and 20 boys. So the ratio represents 19 girls. So like 19 of the girls are out of the 39, and 20 boys, which is like 20 out of the 39. So we could turn these into fractions. So this number out of 39, and this number out of 39 can be like simplified, but I don't think it can be simplified. So, but it would be cool if it would. So 19 out of 39 is what it would be in fraction form for the pink number. For the blue number, it would be 20 over 39. Yes, and a ratio has to equal 39 over 39. Or whatever number, the sum of these two. Like, for example, there are two lemons and 9 limes. So, how much fruit would there be in the basket? It's pretty easy. You just add 9 plus 2. It'll be 11. So, yes. Fractions can be simplified in decimals. So, luckily now I have a calculator. So, oh shoot. Yeah, so. Yeah, I don't know what it's doing. Yeah, finally my calculator's acting up again. So, we just divide 19 by 39, and it'll just give me something. Okay. So, 19 divided by 39 is 19 over 39. But, if we're just going to be doing like 20, so 19.5 divided by 39, it would be equal to 1/2. So, yeah, it would just give me the answer in fraction form. So, 19 out of 39 will just be simplified as, 48. We're just gonna say 48 or 49%. 0.48 or 0.49. It has to round up to one of these numbers. And 20 over 39, it just gives me the same, but it's gonna be 50 or 0.51. One of these numbers. Yes, and this all has to add up to 100 or 1. So, yeah, both two numbers both have to add up to 100% or 1 in decimal form. So 1 in decimal form is 100. So, yes. I know ratios can be tiring nowadays, but we're just going to do the best of it. So, now we're going to be doing a couple of examples. So, yeah, this actually looks real good. Oh, not really. But, so, yes. What we're gonna do these two colors. So, we're gonna do actually these two colors because we're just gonna be doing some weird stuff. So, we're gonna do 2 apples.
You stop.
2 apples. I know you can't see them very well. So, and we're going to be doing 4 oranges. Okay, so we have two apples, and this all is 4 oranges. So, who can tell me the ratio of this? Okay, so we're going to work on that right now. So, the ratio could either be 2 to 4 if we're dealing with apples. With oranges. But if we're going to flip that around, it would just be 4 to 2. If we're doing this. Okay. So, we're going to do 4 to 2 if we're doing oranges with apples. Okay. Yes. Sorry for the interruptions. But this can fit this. So 2 apples to 4 oranges, or 4 oranges to 2 apples. Pretty simple, right? So, yeah, we're gonna fix that. So, these can be simplified. So, if we're doing 2 to 4, then it would be for every 1 apple. Or we're just gonna do 1 apple, or just this little A, to 2 O. The O represents the oranges. If we're gonna do oranges to apples, then we're doing 2 O to A. This is algebraic for these. For this. So A is for apples, O is for oranges. It's crazy. Onward. Yes, I'm correct. Yeah. So this is the algebraic amount of this. So, yes. So, that's it. Otherwise, we have any more. So, that's it. Good night. I'll see you in 2 hours. Not 2 hours. I'll see you in about 1 hour.